Hi, today I'm producing ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media, alarm and notifications volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should swipe to the left or to the right side the dots on each of the volume panel. Here you'll see the down the start mode section. You could turn it on, turn it off, to set the shadow, to change the duration, and to allow notifications from any applications or someone. So you could also here activate and turn off the shortcut to prayer and ringing, to change notification and alarm sounds, and to activate lock screen sounds, charge and touch sounds, and to its sound attachment you could use the volume booster for speaker. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.